In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Reels editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you edit vertical Reels regularly, the biggest time saver is building a repeatable workflow. We'll set up presets so you never reconfigure exports, convert horizontal footage to vertical with auto reframe, customize keyboard shortcuts to trim faster, use adjustment layers for consistent color and effects, save reusable text and graphics as templates, and finish with a hands-off batch export in Adobe Media Encoder. Start by creating or downloading export presets so you don't set them up each time. In the export window, choose H.264 as your format and set the frame size to 1080 by 1920 for vertical video. Dial in your preferred bitrate and any audio settings you use often, then save that as a preset with a clear name. From now on, you can pick that preset in a click and keep your renders consistent across projects. Next, use auto reframe to instantly convert horizontal clips to vertical while keeping the subject centered. Apply auto reframe to your sequence and choose the 9:16 vertical option. Premiere analyzes motion and automatically adjusts the framing as your subject moves. If something drifts, you can nudge the reframing keyframes, but most clips will be ready with no extra work. To speed up trimming, customize your keyboard shortcuts for the commands you use the most, like cut, ripple, delete, and zoom. Open the keyboard shortcuts panel and map those actions to keys that sit under your fingers. Keep related shortcuts close together so your hands travel less, and try a layout you can memorize quickly. Even small changes here compound into big time savings over a full edit. For consistent color and effects, use an adjustment layer, create one that matches your sequence settings, place it above your clips, and apply your color correction, LUTs, or stylizing effects to the layer. This way, every clip beneath gets the same treatment and you can tweak the look in one place instead of chasing individual shots. When you build text, captions, or on-screen graphics, you'll want to reuse, save them as motion graphics templates. In the Essential Graphics panel, package your design with fonts, animations, and safe margins so you can drop it into any timeline and simply update the text. Templates keep your branding aligned and eliminate repetitive setup. Finally, batch export to render multiple reels automatically. Send each sequence to Adobe Media Encoder using your preset, line them up in the queue, and start the render. Media Encoder will process everything while you move on to your next task. Follow these steps, and your Reels workflow will be faster, cleaner, and more consistent from